In the latter half of the 20th century, as smog choked the skies and the oceans groaned under the weight of industrial waste, a group of visionaries saw a dire need for change. These pioneers, bound by a shared conviction for the future of our planet, embarked on a journey to reshape the world's technological landscape. Among them was a brilliant chemist named Paul J. Crutzen, who, in the 1970s, coined the term anthropocene to denote the epoch of human-driven climate change. His work on the ozone layer would eventually earn him the Nobel Prize in chemistry. Another trailblazer was Amory Lovins, a physicist who advocated for energy efficiency and renewable resources. In the heart of the United States, a city known for its industrial prowess found itself grappling with the consequences of unchecked growth. The smog-laden skies of Los Angeles painted a grim picture of a future that could befall many cities around the world if change was not enacted. The call for action came in the form of Project SAGE, System for Air Quality Guide for Energy, a collaborative effort among the city's top scientists, engineers, and policymakers. Their mission: to find sustainable solutions to the city's air pollution crisis. Within the halls of academia, research centers, and government institutions, a quiet revolution was taking shape. Scientists began experimenting with solar energy, wind power, and energy-efficient buildings. Engineers focused on reducing vehicle emissions and developing cleaner transportation systems. In the midst of this green revolution, a young engineer named Gary Anderson made a breakthrough. He invented the first practical diesel-electric hybrid vehicle, a precursor to today's hybrid cars. His innovation demonstrated that eco-friendly technologies could not only protect the environment but also enhance the efficiency and performance of vehicles. The consequences of these advancements were profound. Cities around the world began adopting sustainable practices, and the green movement gained momentum. The once polluted air of Los Angeles began to clear, offering a glimpse of a cleaner, greener future. The story of eco-friendly technologies is a testament to human ingenuity and our capacity for change. From air quality crises in Los Angeles to the global fight against climate change, these pioneers showed that when we work together, we can create a more sustainable world for generations to come. The green revolution continues, and the future of our planet depends on our commitment to innovation and progress.